So the feedback that we get from the professors and the students about Toon Boom products, first of all, Pencil Check Pro, it's a great piece of software. We get a very good line test, very clean line test. We've been experimenting with different cameras and scanners to sort of tweak and get everything that we can out of it. And as soon as we find something, we contact Toon Boom, and they're very quick at working with us and trying to find a way of making the software better, listening to our ideas and seeing if they can incorporate that into that as well. So it makes us feel like we're part of the process as well. So with Pencil Check Pro, the students can change the timing of their animation and see immediately what moving a drawing a couple of frames makes and how it has a different feeling and impact on their scene. And that's so important and so necessary for the students to be able to see that. As far as Harmony goes, Harmony is just a great piece of software. It's so easy for the students to make that initial transfer from drawing and still keep that thought process and just apply it to a different tool. And that's really how we want to approach any piece of software that we teach, be it Maya or Harmony, and still be applying those animation principles and not teach the technology of the software, but the animatability of the software, if you will, that they can take that tool and they can animate on it. And Harmony just makes that so easy to do. It's laid out very well and you can draw on it. We developed our own characters that the students have been using, and we keep developing that in connection with other studios and with Toon Boom as well. So we've been also getting very good feedback from the studios locally, because most of our students, their first jobs are jobs using Harmony, so they're ready. They know the pipeline, they know what they have to do, they know how to fit into a studio, and they know the software, so they're fitting in quite well with the studios right away. Storybook Pro, we've been finding, as we've been sort of experimenting with it, is just a much cleaner way for us to work in storyboards, using the tablets and not having to use 3 or 4 different pieces of software when one piece of software can do the job and do it so well. And we're excited about getting that involved more with our curriculum. I think we have 16 copies of it at the moment, and we're looking to get the full 30 or so for us.
It was adorable once. Now, look at me. I'm this short, fat, insecure, middle-aged thing.